we are going to discuss about the role of face mask in preventing the transmission of COVID-19. Regular use of face mask will definitely prevent the transmission of COVID-19 from one person to another person. In a study, it has been shown that if more than 80% of the community is using regularly the face mask for every purpose, there will be a significant reduction of the transmission of COVID-19 infection from one person to another person. Now let us see how this face mask will work for prevention of transmission of coronavirus. As all of you know, coronavirus is transmitting from one person to another person as a droplet infection. That means an infected person, when cough or sneeze, the viral particles will come through the nose or the mouth along with the droplets, which will be transmitted to another person directly, or it will go through some fomites, like some materials where these droplets will drop. So if an infected person uses a face mask, the probability of coming out of viral particles through the droplet will considerably reduces. Similarly, an uninfected person, if uses the face mask, the transmission of this droplet infection to him will also considerably reduces. So, if everybody uses the face mask, the transmission of coronavirus from one person to another person can be reduced considerably. Now we will see some international scenario where the face mask has been reduced the transmission of coronavirus. If you take the situation in Japan, where the use of face mask as well as the hand wash system is they are using as a part of their culture. They are doing it regularly. If you see the transmission of COVID infection in Japan compared to other countries, there is significantly reduced. So in Czech Republic, they have got a mass social campaign to show the importance of face mask by saying that your face mask will protect me, my face mask will protect you, and everybody is using the face mask, and number of cases in Czech Republic is considerably reduced compared to other European countries. Now let us discuss what type of face mask we should use. There are various types of face mask available in the market, like it can be a cloth mask, it can be a disposable mask which can be a double layer or a triple layer, or it can be a specialized mask like N95 respirator. This N95 respirator mask or a triple layer mask or specialized mask which can significantly reduce the transmission of viruses, but these are recommended to use only by a health worker in a hospital or a COVID care center. These type of masks are not recommended for general public use. For a general common man to use in the public place, a cloth mask will considerably reduce the transmission. However, this cloth mask is not recommended in a hospital setting for a high risk people.
Now we will see how to use a cloth mask. Before using a cloth mask, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. The folded side of the mask should remain inside. Now the upper strings of the mask should be secured above the ears behind, and the lower string should be tied in the back of the neck below the ears. Do not touch the front aspect of the mask as it will be contaminated. Suppose you touch the mask unknowingly, ensure that you wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds at least, or sanitize your hands. If the mask becomes wet or if you feel it is dusty, change the mask immediately. If you are using the mask continuously, it should be changed after 6 hours. Do not pull the mask below the nose or keep it around the neck. Now we shall see how the mask has to be removed properly. First, the lower knot has to be removed, followed by the upper knot, and while removing the mask, care should be taken to avoid touching the front of the mask and also see that the mask does not touch your body. After removing the mask, wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. The mask has to be washed separately with soap and water. Dry the mask in sunlight and iron the mask before reuse. The iron temperature setting should be kept at linen. Do not wash the mask with other clothes in the washing machine.
We should not have a false sense of security by wearing the mask and going around in the community. Along with the usage of face mask, we should continue the other preventive strategies like social distancing and hand wash with the soap and water for 20 seconds or using a hand sanitizer solution, or similarly we should avoid social gathering and overcrowding. With all these measures, considerably the COVID social transmission can be prevented. Along with that, when we are coming back home after some work or after going out, we should take a good bath with soap and water. Along with that, the dress should be immediately washed in soap and water and dried. With all these measures, we can prevent the social transmission of COVID-19. So, wear a mask, prevent transmission of COVID-19.